Not only here, this problem in Karunguli village here, that submersible, the drinking water over HT, overhead tank, the drinking water for supplying village. One of the tank already in Parliament election, that Karunguli colony, that motor, the submersible pump motor coil that burned. As well as now also, that 5 days back, one submersible very near in this temple that coiled burned, the submersible motor. So the pump motor repaired and not yet cleared after 5 days. So people here in village, that Karunguli village, very difficult for drinking water. So we are supplying that this motor pump very capacity low. We are not able to give next day because monthly festival Masa Pusam. So government should take necessary action as well as alternative method.